Hello everyone.
Hi.
Welcome to Seville. We've been here for a couple of days and we thought we'd do a room tour video for you.
Yeah, welcome to our pad.
Welcome to the living room. I'm currently sitting on our couch. It has lots of cushions, which we really enjoy. It's quite comfy of a couch. It's got some armrests. It is a sofa bed. On the other side of the room, we have a dinette table. It's perfect with big windows. Brings in a lot of light. Windows have automatic shutters that go up and down. So with the press of a button, we can stop it at any stage, and we quite enjoy the feature of the room. Just behind me is the fridge, the freezer, and this is a storage. So it's part of like a closet. You wouldn't really know it until you open it up, obviously, and you can see that we've got the fridge and the freezer within this wall unit. The kitchen itself has a dishwasher, and initially we thought this was an oven. So it is a dishwasher. It's fairly large. I'll open it up so you can see it. It'll do perfectly for Steve and I. And then we have a microwave, and we have a 2-burner stovetop. There's lots of essentials like all the dishes and pots and pans, and everything comes with the unit. It's perfectly set that way. We also have a washing machine. That's part of the kitchen area, so that's good. And we have a drying rack. So there's no dryer, it's a drying rack. Seems to be the way in Europe. The studio is fully air conditioned. We also have a TV that's situated in the middle of the living room and the bedroom. It's on a swivel so that we can watch it in either space. So you just pull it out and then you can turn it for the couch if we wanted to watch TV that way, or you can turn it so that you can lie in bed and watch TV. So it's perfect. The bedroom we're enjoying as it has a backlight and 2 hanging lights. We find the whole lighting within the unit is really nice. It's got lighting all the way around. The window in the bedroom is similar to the kitchen in that it has an automatic shutter drop. And this time though, it's beside the bed. So when we wake up in the morning, we can just hit the switch right here and we can slowly wake up. With bedrooms, I always look for 2 end tables just so that Steve and I can have our things on the side, and this bedroom does have. The whole unit itself has been modernized. The landlord has thought of lots of unique features to accommodate this small space. This is the closet space. As you can see, Steve has his hanging area and so do I. The feature in this that I'd like to point out is that there is a hanging bar here that brings down the clothing so you can easily access the clothes, and then you can slide it back up once you get your garment. So it's quite a nice feature, and it saves space. The clothes are hung quite high so that you can see that the shelving space is not impeding on the clothes that are hanging. Just behind me, you'll notice 2 scooters. So these are for use for us to use, which is perfect to get around town. I don't know if I've ever used a scooter before. These are electric and they have locks and stuff, so if we get to a location that we want to explore, we can lock them up and then get back on the scooters and go to the next place. So these will be actually fun. I'm looking forward to trying them. The last room we haven't showed you yet is the bathroom. So let's go to the bathroom.
Not literally.
No. The bathroom has a bright light. It also has a feature of soft lighting and bright lighting. I really enjoy the big sink that it has. The shower has a large raindrop shower head. We enjoy that. There's also a second nozzle there.
Hope you enjoyed that room tour.
We are going to show you obviously more videos of the outside, but we like to start with the room tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you soon. Just behind me is the stove.
That's going in the bloopers.